2025 Luxury Motorhome, a true masterpiece on wheels designed for those who seek elegance, innovation, and comfort wherever they go. This motorhome redefines the meaning of mobile living, combining premium craftsmanship with the latest in smart technology and eco-friendly engineering. The 2025 Luxury Motorhome comes built on a high-performance chassis designed for stability and smooth handling. Powered by a turbocharged V8 hybrid engine, it offers strong torque and impressive fuel efficiency, making long drives both powerful and economical. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission and optional all-wheel drive, this motorhome is equally at home on the highway or off the beaten path. A fully electric variant is also available with a 450-mile range and quick charge capabilities, making it a perfect option for the environmentally conscious traveler. Stepping inside, you're greeted with an open-concept layout designed to maximize space and light. The interiors feature genuine hardwood floors, leather-upholstered seating, and panoramic windows with smart tinting technology. The living area includes a luxury lounge with a power reclining sofa, a built-in fireplace, and a 65-inch 4K smart TV with voice command. Ambient LED lighting adjusts based on time of day, enhancing both comfort and energy efficiency. The kitchen is equipped with top-tier appliances such as an induction cooktop, a convection oven, a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, and a built-in espresso machine. Marble countertops and hidden storage solutions add both elegance and practicality. A touch panel control system manages lighting, temperature, and appliances seamlessly. The bedroom is nothing short of a 5-star hotel experience, offering a king-size memory foam bed, underbed storage, full-height wardrobes, and customizable lighting. A sliding partition allows privacy, and an additional entertainment screen is included for nighttime viewing. For digital nomads, a retractable workstation with USB ports and wireless charging makes working on the road efficient and stylish. The bathroom continues the theme of luxury, featuring a rainfall shower with temperature presets, a backlit anti-fog mirror, and an automatic flushing system with water-saving features. Eco-friendly fixtures and premium finishes elevate the comfort while maintaining sustainability. Tech-wise, the 2025 Luxury Motorhome comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system. The onboard smart home system can be controlled via voice commands or an app, managing everything from window shades to generator power. Pricing starts at approximately $185,000 for the base hybrid model, while the fully electric luxury edition with all premium packages can reach up to $260,000. It's a significant investment, but one that offers unmatched convenience, style, and cutting-edge technology for life on the move. For more updates on luxury vehicles, futuristic designs, and automotive innovations, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay connected with NYC Automotive, where the future of driving comes alive.